Juno is so skinny. She's underweight, malnourished, timid, not sure of the world. This poor girl needs our help.
Hi, sweetheart.
We've been contacted about a husky who is having reoccurring collapsing of the lung. She has to have emergency surgery. The problem is her owners, rather than pursuing surgeries and medical care, they decided to bring her home to die. They need to bring the dog right now because this can't wait a day. This can't wait 10 minutes. This can't wait an hour. A fellow husky rescuer reached out to her owners and convinced them to give them to GTS Husky Rescue in order to save her life.
So sweet. Come here. We are about to take her home.
She's ready.
She's ready to meet her foster siblings. So here we go. Hi, baby.
Mo was there right after Juno came out of lung surgery.
You're so sweet. That's a good girl.
Mo and Blake did a wonderful job with helping her recover her surgery by giving her loving care.
Yeah. Oh, careful, you got stitches.
But Mo called me, hey Kaylin, we're going out of town. They had this trip planned prior to taking Juno in. So immediately, Kristen and Johnny were like, well, we're free, we can do it.
We're currently watching Juno for her actual fosters, Mo and Blake, so we're kind of just the dog sitters for the weekend.
Say hi to everyone.
I was like, oh my goodness. She just looked like Skeletor almost. She hopped right into my car like it was hers.
She knows how to make herself comfortable.
She just jumped straight on the couch. She was just kind of like, she can leave now.
She was making herself at home, generally not near us initially, but now she's starting to get more comfortable with actually being around us and, you know, sitting next to us when we're sitting on the couch or sleeping next to us when we're on the bed. She's getting a little more comfortable with us.
What do you want?
So Mo and Blake just texted us that the trip just actually ended up falling through. Mo said we can come pick her up tonight if you want, and
Yeah, I'm not really ready. I enjoyed having her. I figure why not? We can hold on to her and just see how it kind of goes.
we're both falling in love with her a little bit more every single day. We're gonna be sad to give her back, which I guess kind of makes it.
Seems like adoption
know.
seems more of the finish line at this point.
Yeah.
You know, we like her in the house, and she
Yeah.
seems to like being in the house. She's ours.
Got some surprises for you today.
Today, we are officially welcoming Juno into our home.
We're gonna give her a real swell day, spoil her rotten.
You excited?
You want to get a toy? What do you like? No? French fries? You want some French fries? Want some French fries?
Is that the one, Juno?
No, you don't want French fries? You have another surprise. Oh, no.
I think she was initially like, are you guys sure that I can eat this? Because she kept looking around like, am I gonna get in trouble if I like shove my face in this right now? Good girl.
You have a pink nose. Thank you so much.
They were ready to check out.
Good girl. Bye, Juno.
Come home.